So, unfortunately, bookkeeping isn't a one size fits all solution. And so, because of that, whenever we take on bookkeeping clients, basically we'll kind of assess them. There are several different things that kind of help us understand how to set up the books. One of those things is, what is the ownership structure? Is it a sole proprietor? Is it a partnership? Is it a corporation? Who is the owner if it's not an individual? Another thing that's really going to help us decide, is the client selling services to their customers, or are they selling products to their customers? Because that's really going to give us like different things that we need to keep up with from a bookkeeping standpoint. Then from there, really, we've kind of built a questionnaire around 7 key questions. And those questions really kind of help us decide, how are we going to keep these books? And those 7 questions are: does the business provide goods or services? Then, based on that question, we want to know, what are the costs associated with producing those goods or providing those services? On top of that, we also want to know, how does the business collect from their customers, right? Are they using a payment processing system? Are they using a bank, right? How are they collecting those payments? Also, we want to know, what costs does the business have even if there are no customers, right? Such as rents, subscriptions that you have, those types of things. Also, we want to know, who are the owners, and more specifically, how do they pay themselves and how do they contribute capital to the business? Also, we want to know, how do they manage the cash in the business? Do they have a bank account? Do they use any credit cards? So on and so forth. Lastly, we want to know how they file their taxes, right? We really kind of pay attention to the forms that are filed, because really this helps from a bookkeeping standpoint. The more that we know, the more that we can prepare you for tax season whenever that comes around. And then it's a pretty quick and seamless process.